Welcome to Tat Sat. Today we delve into a lesser known yet fascinating story from the Rigveda. It is the tale of Vishwakarman, the divine architect of the universe. Vishwakarman, also called the All-Creator, is revered as the craftsman of the cosmos, the one who designed the heavens, the earth, and everything in between. In the Rigveda, Vishwakarman is described as the ultimate creator, encompassing the qualities of all divine beings. The hymn declares, Vishwakarmano, Vivadanti Vishve Yajyasya Ketum Parme Vyoman. All gods speak of Vishwakarman, the marker of sacrifices in the highest heavens. He envisioned a cosmos where divine harmony and balance prevailed, crafting a design that reflected eternal order, known as Ritam. It is said that Vishwakarman fashioned the pillars of the universe to uphold the heavens and anchor the earth. The Rigveda says, Tripadan Sitrini Rochana, Vishwakarma Para Ved. He who knows the threefold heavens above and the earthly realms below, he is Vishwakarman. His craftsmanship gave rise to the sun, Surya, the moon, Chanda, and the paths of the stars, ensuring celestial order. In one of the most mystical passages, Vishwakarman is associated with the Hiranyagarbha, the golden embryo, the seed of creation. The hymn reflects, Hiranyagarbha samvartatagre, bhutasya jatah patirek asit. The golden embryo emerged in the beginning, the first being, and the Lord of all that exists. Through this embryo, Vishwakarman manifested the cosmos, filling it with life and energy. The Rigveda also describes Vishwakarman as the first sacrificer. By offering himself in a grand cosmic yajna, he laid the foundation of creation. Through his sacrifice, the elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space, took form. The Vedas emphasize that creation and sacrifice are inseparable. The legacy of Vishwakarman continues in every form of creativity. As the patron of artisans and craftsmen, his blessings are invoked for building temples, designing homes, and sculpting deities. His story reminds us that every creation, big or small, reflects the divine essence of Vishwakarman, the ultimate architect. This lesser-known tale from the Rigveda reveals the profound philosophy of creation. Vishwakarman symbolizes the divine spark within us, the ability to envision, design, and create. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe to Tat Sat for more timeless stories from the Vedas, Upanishads, and Puranas. Aum Tat Sat.